Hey guys, how y'all doing? This is Tyler Austin with MyGeekCentral.com. If you look at the screen, which I'm sure you are right now, we got some cool stuff going on. Okay, this is what we did. Okay, in the last tutorial, we covered putting our our unordered lists in. Okay, what did I just do? Undo. So in this tutorial, we are going to cover CSS. And I real quick typed everything in so I can just explain it instead of me having to type it and think at the same time, because that just doesn't work out. Cool. So our header, we made 960 pixels. Okay, when you make with divs, like I mentioned before, you got to have the number sign, whatever the ID of the div is, and then you create your width, which we say is the average is 960. Our height is 150 pixels. Solid border, and I'll show you. This is where I got those colors from. You can either use hex color codes, which is if we go anywhere on this page, we can choose any color, and then we just copy the code and we input it there. Cool. So height is 150 pixels, border solid, background is black, font color I don't have in there, or font I don't have in, like font size I don't have in there. Color of the font is green as well. Then we did our navigation bar, which is the same exact as our header. The main page, which is we just made 1260 pixels and a minimum height of 550. Min height basically means that we just at least have to have that much showing. If anything else, there's going to be 550 pixels worth of the main page. And as we put content in there, it'll grow. So, which, you know, I'm going to be getting into later. I'm going to be doing some CSS tutorials, and we'll get into actually more CSS. Right now for this series, we're just showing you how to do basically what we've already done. I'm not going to be, this series is about to end, and then I'm just going to cover, after that, I'm just going to make some more tutorials on, you know, the nitty-gritty parts of it. So, anyway, main page. We already covered that. Content is within the main page. Okay, which is the only thing I changed with the content is I made the background white, I think. Did I? No, I didn't. Content width 960, border color. Here, we'll do this. I thought white was all F's, but we'll just choose a different color. You can't see it. We'll just put this in there and see what happens. Cool. I don't know why it won't work if it doesn't. And it didn't. That's unfortunate. Oh well. Okay. So that's gonna bother me why that didn't work. Background. Oh well. Cool. So we covered our header, our navigation bar, main page, content, footer. Okay. And we're going to pretty this up still, so don't worry. And this is what it looks like. You got your header, your main menu, your navigation bar rather. This is your footer right here. And this is your main page. And I do not know why I do not have the content working. That's bother. Oh, you know what? That's why. Why didn't you all tell me? Just kidding. See? Look at that. I don't know why I didn't catch that a lot sooner. One of y'all might have. Y'all probably laughing at me right now. So, bam. There we go. Cool. So now we got our header, our navigation bar, our body content, which is within here, okay, and then our footer. And I know this looks like crap right now, but we're going to be adding some margin in there, and we're going to put this down at the very bottom down here, and we're going to make all these in a line, and then we're going to make our own My First Website header with Photoshop, and we're going to upload the video that I'm saying right now on it. No, we're not doing that. That's going to go on my website. So anyway, that's it for this one. Go ahead and I'll give you one more quick flash about this here. Go ahead and copy all that, type that up, and after that, this next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the style sheet and change the colors of each individual thing within the header and the body and stuff like that. Okay, awesome. See you later.